Greetings, August 20th, 2014. I have just finished framing the Pavlos Fyssas drawing. Simple natural wood frame, works very nicely. Enhances the multiple imagery of the drawing. The artwork is now titled The Sea Monsters and the Angry Chicken. Homage to Pavlos Fyssas. These are like argfish of the sort seen in the, there's Elmo down there, seen in the Primo Levi with argfish. There's the angry chicken, which is discussed in a short video with retired campus pastor Brooke Rolston. The murdered Pavlos. There you have it.